we tend to think of Propel and highlighting it covering 7 core process areas. And so I'll touch on capabilities in each of those process areas, but new product development is the first, and there it's integration with mechanical CAD and electrical CAD, management of bills of material and their changes, right? And then there's supplier management, and that's collaborating and on the sourcing of a product and the manufacturing of that product. So sharing data with the right controls is a big part of what we do there, and making that data accessible and collaborating on it. Product quality as a set of processes. This is really about that closed loop quality process that I mentioned before. And we've also done some innovation here where we extend allowing the quality issue to be identified by a serial number, and then tracking that serial number back to the rev that created it, so that quality can speak in their language and engineering can speak in their language, right? I have this quality issue against serial number 1234, but that's really item 1000-100 rev D. And so now I can actually go in and affect that. So we do a lot of processes around that. Compliance management. So we think of compliance in 2 ways. One is for our med tech companies, we think of this, in an FDA related way. And that's all, the benefits of having an auditable process. But we also think of it in a go-to-market compliance. So if you're going to ship your product to various countries to sell, and you're making your business plan based on that, then you need to make sure that you're meeting the compliance, which is regulatory compliance, might be RoHS or REACH, it might be digital product passport and recyclability content. So that compliance management we're also focused on.